Welcome to Wheezing the Juice.
One of the most incredible organisms living in the oceans of planet Earth is the Teratopsis doryni, more commonly known as the Immortal Jellyfish. It is a tiny transparent jellyfish that was first discovered in the 1880s in the Mediterranean Sea, but can be found in many oceans around the world. The thing that makes this strange, almost alien-like creature so incredible is that it is biologically immortal. This means that the creature can be killed, but doesn't seem to die from old age. Most jellyfish species have a relatively fixed lifespan, but this jellyfish is capable of reverting completely to a sexually immature stage after having reached maturity, which is kind of like a butterfly changing back to a caterpillar instead of dying. The immortal jellyfish begins its life as a larva called a planula. The planula eventually settles on the sea floor and grows into a cylindrical colony of polyps. These polyps then spawn jellyfish, which over a matter of weeks grow into adults. When fully grown, they are still tiny, around 4.5 millimeters across, but they seem to have an incredible skill. When they become threatened by physical injury or even starvation, the creatures can transform back to a juvenile polyp by retracting their tentacles, shrinking their bodies, and sinking to the ocean floor to start the cycle all over again. Over time, new genetically identical clones of the original jellyfish are released from the polyp into the sea, and incredibly, these can also transform back if threatened, meaning that the process can be repeated over and over. The natural process has inspired many researchers to hopefully find a way of using stem cells to renew damaged or dead tissue in humans. So one day in the future, humans may live for hundreds or even thousands of years, and this may well be achieved because of the research that went into the tiny blob we know as the immortal jellyfish.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.